Hi everybody, Bob Pasillo at Forest Packaging. Going to talk over a project we did here, just kind of to say this is the extra effort we're going to put in to watch the details on your project. We got a presentation from a customer for, this is called either a power wing or a sidekick. You see them in every store. They're the wire racks that are on the ends of the aisles doing special promotions. And we received a request that we needed a 6-shelf power wing with a header built in on the top, the size of the lip, really basic stuff, nothing too spectacular. But when they sent us the product, we noticed this is very, very heavy product. So we said, do we have the ability to do what we need to do to make this work? And they said, yes, please go ahead. So you cannot really see it from here, but this isn't a normal 1-layer shelf. We came up with something that comes across the bottom, up around the top, back down and through to create 2 thicknesses to take the weight in the shelf. We came up with the divider to support everything as it goes up. And also in shipment, we made sure we had a filler put in there because this rattling around in shipment would be very, very destructive to the product, to the box, to everything else. We also noticed that given the weight, when we hang it up to do a test run, this is the normal clip that anybody will buy for a project like this. But we looked at this weight and said, no, you're gonna need to go with something heavier. That kind of weight over an extended period of time is not gonna do well. So we just went ahead and told them, this is the part you wanna use, not this. And then we had something interesting come up. We were getting ready to go to photographs and lay out some artwork and finalize all these parts. And we said, hey, as you can see here, we're a little short on product to fill the whole display. Can you send us some more? They said, no problem. So they sent more product and we noticed something. We had 2 different containers, and the bigger container, when it went in here, killed the need for the filler, and it was also a little harder to get out. So we put the brakes on the project and said, can you please answer this question? We have 2 different containers here. Can you tell us which one is the correct one? Well, as it turns out, internally, that raised some concerns that they did their own investigation. The bigger container that we showed was actually simply because of, due to the pandemic, they had to go with a different supplier for containers for a short period of time to meet their deadlines. The smaller one is their regular container. The bigger one is an anomaly. That's not what it's going to be. And nobody really noticed within their operation chain because it didn't make a big difference for what they were doing. But for us, it would have made a huge difference. But we said, we're not going to just, oh, it's close enough, it's a small detail, let's just keep this rolling, we're on a deadline. We said, no, we need to slow down, we need to look at this, we need to get the right answer to make sure we're getting the right fit, the right product, the right support. Miss something like that, gets to the store, it could be a lot of trouble. So we slowed it down, we asked them to check, they found the answer, we realized we were on track, and again, we are already in the process now. They're doing artwork for this project. It's rolling forward. It's in order. So just stopping a minute and making sure we double check some details. Everything now is running smoothly. So when we do something for you here, this is the kind of stuff we're looking for. We're going to make sure we'll catch those little details that maybe somebody else might miss. So that's what we like to do for you here at Forest.